Radiating warmth and elegance, this eco-conscious heater redefines what it means to heat a space naturally. Built from terracotta and powered by bioethanol, it spins a living vortex of fire, bold, contained, and magnetic. More than a heat source, it's a visual centerpiece, delivering both performance and atmosphere without relying on gas lines or electricity. At its core lies an aerodynamic marvel, a terracotta body engineered to accelerate airflow and amplify thermal lift. The result? A spinning flame intensified by 500% heat flow, casting warmth across any room or patio within just 5 minutes. Its secret lies in terra de fiamma, a clay composition that retains and radiates heat with remarkable efficiency. Engineered for professionals who demand precision, the Neo Ruler redefines measurement with its 12-inch digital edge and plus or minus 0.004-inch accuracy. Whether you're in the studio, on-site, or at the drafting table, this smart scale ruler adapts instantly to your workflow. Equipped with 93 built-in scales, it seamlessly toggles between US imperial and metric units, covering both architectural and engineering needs with confidence and speed. The highlight is its infinite customization. Create your own scales for specific projects or industries, saving them for repeat use. Say goodbye to guesswork and cluttered toolkits. Every edge of the Neo Ruler is purpose-driven, allowing direct measurement along the surface, illuminated by a clean digital display that offers crystal-clear readings in any light. Far from the reach of cellular towers, the InReach Messenger Plus becomes an essential lifeline, delivering seamless two-way communication through satellite connectivity. Designed for those who venture beyond the grid, it supports photo, text, and voice messaging, even in total cell service blackout. Its SOS feature links directly to 24/7 emergency response, ensuring help is just a message away. Built to endure the extremes, the InReach Messenger Plus resists water up to 3.3 feet deep, withstands harsh temperatures, and holds up against knocks and drops common in backcountry travel. You can count on the long battery life, lasting up to 28 days on a single charge in 10-minute tracking mode, to stay functional throughout extended expeditions. Out where city lights fade and the sky reveals its hidden canvas, the Vista Portable Smart Telescope transforms ordinary nights into clear sky adventures. Built for stargazing, birding, and wildlife observation, this compact powerhouse balances portability with performance. Whether you're scanning the night sky or tracking the wing beat of a hawk at dawn, Vista delivers with 240 times zoom power and ultra-sharp precision. Equipped with a cutting-edge AI agent, the telescope doesn't just show you stars, it guides you to them. The Star Pointer Guide intuitively locks onto constellations, planets, and celestial events. On the ground, its database recognizes over 10,000 birds, offering instant identification with scientific accuracy. No guesswork, just clarity. Step into a new dimension of digital interaction with Rokid AR Lite. Designed to merge convenience with cutting-edge spatial computing, these lightweight AR glasses pack serious capability into a sleek, travel-ready frame. With a 3 degrees of freedom system, Rokid AR Lite tracks your head orientation with precision, offering immersive control without the bulk of external sensors. Run 3 apps simultaneously and effortlessly multitask. Watch a movie, check emails, and browse the web, all within your personal augmented workspace. Whether you're deep into gaming, streaming high-definition content, or refining a presentation, the Rokid AR Lite adapts to your rhythm and intent. Transform any setting into a mobile entertainment hub with a portable 300-inch virtual screen that floats before your eyes. Engineered for seamless transitions, the DockBook Vertical Dock reinvents how you use your MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. With a precision-fit enclosure carved from solid machined aluminum, this vertical dock offers more than aesthetics. It's a desktop command center built for speed and efficiency. Once your MacBook Pro slides into place, the DockBook's custom internal electronics instantly redirect all connections to the rear, minimizing cable clutter. Each port supports data transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second, ensuring zero compromise whether you're transferring 4K video files, connecting to multiple monitors, or powering high-performance peripherals. Colo GCS revolutionizes your sound experience with the world's first 7.1.2 channel speakers, designed specifically for PCs. This cutting-edge system integrates 11 distinct speakers into a sleek all-in-one design, offering a rich and immersive audio experience that brings games and movies to life. With true overhead channels, it delivers unparalleled 3D sound that surrounds you from every direction, making you feel as if you're in the center of the action. The Colo GCS isn't just about impressive surround sound. It's built to deliver high-res audio for every use, ensuring that both gaming and entertainment are elevated to new levels of clarity and depth. The Epivo Totem 360 conference camera offers an innovative approach to virtual meetings, transforming the experience with its 360-degree panoramic coverage. This USB-C plug-and-play device is designed to seamlessly integrate with platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, enhancing productivity and communication. The Totem 360 captures every angle of a meeting using 4 lenses stitched together to deliver a human-eye view, ensuring no participant is left out of the frame. Equipped with multiple AI modes, this camera adapts to the environment, adjusting focus and framing automatically for the best presentation. Its built-in speaker and microphone work in tandem to provide clear audio, with advanced noise reduction technology filtering out unwanted background sounds. Case brings a refined approach to managing your creative data. Designed for photographers, videographers, and content creators, this sleek all-in-one storage solution guarantees the protection, organization, and quick access you need to maintain a smooth workflow. Whether you're handling high-resolution files, editing videos on the go, or managing a growing library of images, Case has you covered with its robust structure and cutting-edge technology. With its lightning-fast transfer speed, this storage unit ensures that you're never held back by delays, giving you more time to focus on your creative vision. The durable exterior keeps your data safe, whether you're in the studio or out on location. The Zero Pump is a compact yet powerful solution for all your inflation needs. Weighing only 1.2 ounces, this ultra-mini electric air pump is designed for convenience and portability, making it perfect for quick inflation of air mattresses, pool floats, and other inflatables. Its rechargeable battery ensures you're always prepared, whether for outdoor activities, travel, or everyday use. Despite its small size, the Zero Pump packs a punch. It effortlessly inflates airbeds, inflatable toys, and more, delivering reliable performance in a sleek, easy-to-carry design. The rechargeable feature eliminates the need for disposable batteries, adding an eco-friendly touch to your inflatable adventures. This portable pump is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. When seasonal shifts bring stifling heat or stagnant air, the Tello Zet circulator rises to the occasion. Engineered with a jet engine-inspired design, this powerhouse circulator blends aerodynamic form with dual BLDC fans to deliver unmatched air propulsion. From bedrooms to living rooms, and even spacious garages, it throws out a concentrated airflow that travels up to 65 feet, effortlessly refreshing large areas with precision. The dual fan system doesn't just cool, it purifies. As air slices through the blades, it's refined for clarity and cleanliness, making each breath feel crisp and revitalizing. The BLDC motor ensures quiet operation without sacrificing strength, while the energy-efficient design keeps performance high and power consumption low. Radiating from your walls like geometric constellations, the CyroBricks Smart 3D customizable hexagon light panels reshape the visual energy of any space. This 16-piece plus set of modular interlocking light panels doesn't just glow, it responds. Each hexagonal tile emits vibrant RGB color with real-time music reactivity, transforming sound into color and motion with striking precision. The 3D contour of every panel adds texture and depth, crafting a futuristic atmosphere that stands out whether mounted in a living room, office, gaming setup, or creative studio. Cradled in comfort and wrapped in intelligence, this newborn bassinet is designed to meet the needs of your baby from day 1 through 6 months. Built with SmartSense technology, it instinctively listens for your baby's cries and reacts in real time to soothe them, offering gentle motion that mimics the comfort of being held. Whether it's nap time or nighttime, this bassinet adjusts to your baby's rhythm, providing a consistent, peaceful sleep environment. In a world where conversations carry weight, discretion is power. The NG4200 PhoneSafe Summit understands that silence isn't just golden, it's essential. Built with acoustic integrity in mind, this advanced privacy device suppresses audio surveillance with a dual interference system targeting both bottom and top microphones. By generating non-filterable ultrasonic frequencies, completely inaudible to the human ear, it neutralizes all known smartphone listening capabilities without breaking any laws. Able to house up to 4 phones at once, the NG4200 blends modern security with the aesthetics of a handcrafted natural wood stand. It doesn't block cellular signals, so phones remain online, ready for texts or calls. The interference activates only when a device is present and a voice is detected, conserving battery power thanks to the smart in-use and active sensors. Compatible with any smartphone up to 7.1 inches tall, it delivers universal protection across brands and models. Motorola's innovative approach to smartphones introduces a flexible device that redefines how we interact with technology. The phone is equipped with a highly adaptable OLED display, allowing it to bend and reshape to fit a variety of uses. This design doesn't just serve as a novelty, but offers practical applications, such as wrapping it around your wrist like a stylish bracelet or folding it into a convenient stand for hands-free use. This revolutionary technology blends form and function, giving users the freedom to personalize the device in ways traditional smartphones cannot. Dominate the mobile gaming arena with the power and precision of a full console setup in the palm of your hands. The GameSir G8 Galileo redefines mobile play, delivering elite performance through a direct Type-C connection, ensuring lag-free responsiveness for both Android and iPhone 16 series. Its plug-and-play design eliminates setup delays, letting you jump straight into action with zero interference. This controller is engineered with Hall-effect joysticks and analog triggers, offering enhanced accuracy, no drift, and smoother in-game control, whether you're lining up a sniper shot or navigating hairpin turns. With a 3.5mm audio jack, you stay fully immersed, accessing real-time audio cues without Bluetooth lag. The tactile buttons and ergonomic contours feel like an extension of your reflexes, perfect for long gaming sessions. In a world where digital convenience meets the timeless charm of pen on paper, the NUI Sync Pen 4 steps in as a bridge between both. This smart pen writes on paper just like a traditional pen, yet instantly transfers your words and sketches to your device through the NUI's app. It captures every stroke in real time and records your creative flow as it unfolds, preserving both the end result and the thought process behind it. The Sync Pen 4 transforms your handwriting into editable digital text using OCR, supporting 73 languages, more than most smart pens on the market. It identifies handwritten shapes, mathematical formulas, and even music notation using the integrated MyScript technology. Ideal for creatives and professionals alike, it brings clarity and structure to your ideas. You can tag, edit, search, and share your notes effortlessly. Designed to roam your home with intelligence and care, the Rolla Pet Pal camera robot from Enebot is more than a pet cam. It's a watchful companion. With a stunning 2.5K QHD resolution, it delivers crystal clear video, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you're checking in on your cat's lazy stretch across the living room or your dog's excitement when hearing your voice, Pet Pal keeps you connected from anywhere. Its movable body glides across hardwood or carpet, covering every inch of your space. The onboard night vision captures activity in complete darkness, while the two-way audio lets you speak and listen in real time. Through the intuitive remote app control, you can drive Pet Pal around your house, snap photos, record video, and even alert it to follow your pets. This smart home robot blends surveillance and companionship, perfect for families or pet owners who value both safety and connection. Turn up the heat without second-guessing your setup. The No Worries gas timer is a powerful 80,000 BTU auto shutoff gas timer, engineered to prevent gas leaks, flameouts, and overcooking. Designed for propane and natural gas systems, it's the perfect fit for outdoor grills, fire pits, patio heaters, and pizza ovens. Equipped with a reliable 3/8-inch flared assembly connector and hose, this compact safety device blends seamlessly into your setup while adding a critical layer of protection. Built with heavy-duty materials and backed by patent-pending technology, the No Worries gas timer ensures peace of mind with every cookout. It functions like a kitchen timer. Simply set the dial and walk away. Once the timer expires, the gas automatically shuts off. When peak thermal efficiency meets visual sophistication, you get a cooling system that doesn't compromise. The thick Q60 elevates the AIO standard with a 240mm liquid cooling platform crafted for builders who demand performance and aesthetics. Its 5-inch, ultra-slim HD display delivers real-time stats and customizable visual content, surrounded by 42-pixel QRGB LEDs that add precise, programmable lighting to match any build theme. Beneath the surface, dual high-performance pumps circulate coolant at optimal speed, balancing thermal loads even under intense gaming or overclocking. The 240 by 52mm radiator maximizes surface area with a high fin density design, pushing heat out rapidly with low-noise fans. The Q60 isn't just bold in dimensions, it's engineered for silent strength and long-lasting reliability. The thick Q60 combines smart integration and raw cooling capability into a single, cohesive unit.